Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. This side Cyber here from Craftalogger. And if you are new to this video, so do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update from us. And in this video, we shall be talking about how to use Craftalogger chalk paints and resin. So let's get started. It's a very simple and easy way to work. You have to take this measuring scale and silicone mold for the coasters, and you have to take this grey chalk paint from Craftalogger. Now you have to take this resin. This resin is 3:1 and hardener and one plastic glass and one ice cream stick. And you have to take this plastic glass, place it over, and you have to take this resin 3:1. So I am taking this resin 50. You have to take proper proportions for that, not less not more, exactly the same. Now I am taking this hardener 16. It should be proper. Now you have to take the ice cream stick and move it in a one direction. You have to move until it becomes clear. So now you have to take one empty glass and you have to take Royal Gold metallic chalk paint from Craftalogger in one container. Next you have to take this Cadet blue chalk paint, mix well, or you can say shake well before use, and you have to take color with the help of this ice cream stick. Now I am taking this honey mustard chalk paint from Craftalogger. You have to take very little. Now I have kept ready one glass with the clear resin, same process, and mix well, and then you have to pour your resin into your glass. तीनों में हम हाफ हाफ डिवाइड कर देंगे. Now you have to mix well. In another cup you have to take this yellow chalk paint from Craftalogger. As you all know that our chalk paints are the best and they are multi-purpose. You can use in decoupage, you can use in mixed media, you can use in any way you want to use in scrapbook albums for highlighting or some stenciling, and the main purpose is you can use in resin. Now we are taking is our silicone mold. जैसा जैसा आपको इफेक्ट चाहिए वैसा वैसा आप कर सकते हो. इसमें कंपलसरी नहीं है कि जैसे मैंने बताया, पर इसका मिक्सिंग पार्ट एकदम परफेक्टली फाइन होना चाहिए. नाउ आई टेक दिस ब्लू कलर, उसको अच्छे से मिक्स करना है. सेम प्रोसेस. सो गाइस, जो येलो पार्ट था वो मैंने इसके ऊपर डाल दिया. एंड दिस इज आवर हनी मस्टर्ड रेजिन. ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि मैंने इसमें डाला तो मैं इसमें नहीं डालूंगी. जैसे मैंने एक उसमें नहीं डाला, उसमें मैंने येलो से इसको फिल कर दिया, राइट. तो ये मैं हनी मस्टर्ड से इसको फिल कर दूंगी, एकदम लेवल के साथ डालना है। Now I have take this copper metallic chalk paint from Crafter Logger and mixed in this resin. I want little bit dark shade of this copper, so I have taken little bit inside and mix well again. Now I have taken this golden color. Now you have to take this caddet blue like this. Like this you have to complete and leave it for at least 1 day, or you can say 24 hours. After 24 hours your coasters will be ready. You can see in the image it will be look so beautiful and so amazing. Thank you, bye bye, take care, hope you like our tutorial.